Hey everyone, let's have a look at Ready Tea Instant Rooibos Chai Tea. Opening up this packet, you get rooibos, ginger, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, allspice, nutmeg. As always, with these Ready Tea Instant Rooibos powders, warm water, boiling water, chai tea. You know what, only half a teaspoon is enough. This is so tasty. That's it. All done. Easy as that. I think it's important to understand that this is a very concentrated powder. It's not loose tea leaves. It's not crushed little sticks. It's an absolute concentrated powder, and it allows you to use less. You go much further with what you buy. Depending on your taste, there's no time waste, no brewing, no steeping, and you sit back and you enjoy instantly.